This is December 21st. It's still snowing, but it's definitely lightened up a lot. Hey, you can see how deep it is. There's Ms. Madeline. Hi, Madeline. Hi, Taylor. Hi, Chase.
What?
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. I'm eating snow.
Yum!
Yep.
There's the cul-de-sac.
Pat, you should have got it in the morning yesterday.
Yeah?
It's like help me, Mommy.
Help you what, honey? Oh, up? Okay, hang on. Let me just get a picture of Daddy.
Did you
Okay.
fall?
One thing we missed, we got rid of the SUV when
Hi, everybody.
Hi there.
He went to Shebang.
I see some figure moving. Fog is like.
It was all night long. It was like working.
Yeah,
I know.
Alright, this is Saturday now, so it's a few days later. It's definitely melted. It was really sunny yesterday, and as you can see, cul-de-sac is all clear now. There's just a few piles of snow in the middle. Had to make some nice paths to get some cars out, but all in all, it's all set. Yeah.